Is sitting causing you lower back pain? I'm Dr. Clayton, and this is something I help my patients overcome on a daily basis. And about 99% of them are doing this one mistake. It all comes down to the position of your pelvis. As I'm sitting here, it doesn't look like I have horrible posture, but you might be able to tell that my butt is slightly tucked underneath me. That right there is putting a ton of pressure on my lower back, creating the pain. But you want to make sure that you also don't overly arch your lower back, because that's also going to cause you discomfort. To give you a better visual, we're going to use the skeleton. As I rock this skeleton's pelvis backwards, you can see that it causes a ton of flexion throughout the lower back. What that does is it puts a ton of pressure on the front of the disc, taking the center of the disc and pushing it backwards, and your body doesn't like that. And that could potentially lead to a disc herniation, a lot of other problems. So it puts that pain there to prevent that from happening. It wants you to change your posture. But what it doesn't want is it doesn't want you to overly correct and arch that back too much. That's gonna create a ton of compression back here. What it wants is for you to sit right on top of your butt bones. That is the key, is sitting right on top of those butt bones so that it levels out your pelvis, keeps your back in a nice neutral position. If you can also add, thinking that there's a string pulling your head up towards the ceiling, you're gonna fix that posture, relieving your pain. As a bonus tip, what you're sitting on is going to dramatically affect that pelvis position. If you're sitting on something really soft, it's gonna be incredibly hard to keep that pelvis in neutral. So the goal is to sit on something a little more firm. That way you can control your pelvis, relieving your back pain. If you have questions on your back pain, drop a comment, or I have a whole playlist that you can check out. I'll put that down in the description below. Until next time, keep moving, especially if you're sitting all day, move more, and enjoy the rest of your day.